this video, I will be reviewing the paint sprayer by Graco. This model is the Magnum X5 Airless paint sprayer. Here is my setup. I put the paint sprayer on a wagon so that the paint and the sprayer can easily move throughout the property with me. This is my go-to sprayer when I am painting ceilings throughout the properties. As you can tell, it's highly used. I would like to mention that the next model up, which is the X7, is the model that comes on wheels. They are very similar. The X5 will cost you around $329 and the X7 will cost you around $419. The X5 has 0.27 gallons per minute. The X7 would have 0.31 gallons per minute. The X5 also comes with a 75-foot hose, and the X7 comes with a 100-foot hose. So there's a $90 difference between the two. It comes with a quick startup guide with illustrations making it easy step-by-step process on starting it and also putting it back to bed when you are done. One of the first steps is to put the spray tip on the handle. This metal piece is crucial. It's what the paint sprays through. If you happen to get a clog while spraying, it is recommended that you turn it once, spray, and turn it back to where this hole lines up, and that will unclog your spray gun. With this machine, you just need to add paint. And you can spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint container. This knob helps you easily control your paint flow. Here I have a 5 gallon bucket. The hose goes directly into the container. This knob here is what determines your spray pattern. We're going to start with the clean setting and we're going to prime our handle. I start in the bucket. Once I had it started, I went over to a piece of plastic and sprayed it to make sure I get any kind of water out of it that I had from the last cleaning. And once you see paint come out, that's when you're ready to paint. I always start with ceilings so that any kind of overspray does not affect any of the wall paint. Here the handle gets clogged, so I turn that metal piece that I spoke about earlier to unclog it. Now be sure to cover anything that you do not want to get overspray on before you begin painting. A technique that works for me is to start the sweep of your arm, then the spray, stop the spray, and continue the sweep of your arm. This helps blend each pass that you take. The texture on the ceiling is water soluble, so you want to make sure that you're putting light coats of paint on. If you put too much on at once, it could pull down the texture of your ceiling. So if you have to, do multiple layers of paint, let the first layer dry, and then put on a second coat. I like this paint sprayer because it's easy to use. It makes the job so much quicker. I have a very long extended hose on it, and it plugs in. Not only can you use it on ceilings, but you can use it on walls and cabinets and any other project that you may have. Here are some after photos. Nice, bright and white. It only took me a few hours to paint an entire house around 1,500 square feet. And the cleanup process is simple. You just connect to a garden hose for the fast and easy cleaning process. Thank you for watching my review on the Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.